Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 26 by 30 inch canvas, or 24, I'm not sure which. Anyway, I have a pan of colors left over from my last 18 by 24 inch painting, and I want to add some more to it to make sure I have enough, which I probably do anyway. So I'm going to add some Anita's White Metallic, some Hot Orchid, I'm going to inject a little bit of the Amsterdam Black that has pre-stained wood conditioner in there. Use my Artist Loft Cobalt, if I can get it open quickly, because it was a minute ago. Okay, let's use the Electric Blue from Arteza instead. I still want that cobalt, which is very turquoise metallic, by the way. This is a dioxazine purple. I'm going to throw a little bit of Venetian blue back in here. I'm inclined, I need that turquoise. Give me my turquoise. I'll just use my tweezers to clear the tip. My tweezers are great. They're stainless steel, they're very sharp, and they clear the tip of a bottle very nicely. And if there's a cone of paint in there, you can wind them around and pull the whole thing out. Okay, go back on, please. It's such a gorgeous color. It really, really is. And I see that I'm missing the color I used to refer to as Velveeta. I have some of that. And I think I still want to put a little more of the green gold from Folk Art in there. And there's no turquoise. I just realized I don't have any of my turquoise flash in there from Folk Art. And I love it with the green gold. And it zhuzhes everything up. So I'll try and get these out of here. I think I put everything in there except for, I have some golden iridescent gold, which is a much paler version, or a much lighter gold than the Decor Americana 24 karat gold that I usually use, but I love it. It does dendrite sometimes. Alright, I'm going to leave those there because I can't, no turntable, no swiveling for me today. This is what an edge catcher looks like. That's a 16 by 20. This is like a 3-time primed canvas, and hopefully not too dusty. It's been hanging around my studio for 2 months because it's gone through 2 different exhibition videos. Got used to the background for at least one of them. So I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to scrape the bottom of my shovel off. And I want to turn that around, but you know what I can do? I can tip a little. I like the lighter pink that I'm not using right now. I should have put some more of that back in there. That's 4. Maybe I can have a 5th one. And I think I'm going to dribble some paint. So far so good. I want a whole bunch more red colors, I think would be good. So a little bit of magenta, and I still have a folk art color shifting purple that I didn't add any more in there, and I would like it to open. There we go. And I said I wanted that pink, so I'm going to put some of that in there too. I have a lighter blue version of the Venetian blue. It has some color. It has Anita's white metallic and some Venetian blue in it. I keep seeing things land. Grab some of this green. Okay, I got my little ends. One more purple over there, I think. It'll be a complicated flower or something. I kind of want to take this and move it sideways, and hopefully you can see quite a bit of that. I'm going to grab a whole bunch of paint. Looks like I had less paint than I thought I did. Could just be a stage one. I'm not feeling my colors enough yet. It's definitely got an undersea vibe going for me. Yeah, that's better. A little bit. I think it's time to add a bunch of Anita's. A little more hot orchid. Whoops. Helps if you don't drag the cap through. I've got that blue handy, so it's going in there. I want dioxazine purple. I like the green with it, but I've got the turquoise in my hand, so it's going in first. There's the green, color shifting green. And I don't have any orange left in there, and that's not coming out. Well, I'll use some of the red color shifting red from Folk Art. I will, if it'll open. It was open just a few minutes ago. This is not good. Okay, so I'm going to continue to add colors, and I'm going to add some more of that Anita's white metallic that has a little bit of pink in it. And I want a whole bunch more purple. And I have a purple that I really love, and it is the Artist Loft Amethyst, and it's not open either, but it's about to be. And the one color that really seems to make everything pop is the yellow I was just using. There it is. I was willing to use the golden hour, and I might still do that. There is something about this room that clogs bottles right up. I don't know what it is. And there's the turquoise that's called cobalt blue. Boy, I better be careful of that. Oh, I know why I did that. That's because I wanted it open and it wasn't. A little more. Sorry, it's taking me some time. A little more of the black. What am I missing in there? I am missing mostly the color shifting purple. And I have decided I will put in some weird foliage. I can't do it over here, can I? Well, I can if I want to on the corner. Yeah, that's not too bad. Just letting the paint relax right off the shovel. There, I'm not hitting that. Alright, so far so good. I've never had to do one of these in a stage 2, but it could happen. And you're watching it all upside down, and I'm so sorry about that. If I had an opportunity to change that, I would. Just so you know. Toilet flushing in the background, brought to you by my husband. Thank you so much, dear. I don't know if you can hear that or not. He's just trying to keep me on my toes, evidently. I think I'm inclined to use some of the beautiful paint that I have left. To wind some vines. I think I want to widen up that stem at the bottom. Sorry how quiet I am. I'm totally focused. And I may just leave this on one side, because if I want another flower, I need to put it over here. And I should turn this around. I should put a few bottles away, turn it around so you can see it right side up. And then maybe I'll decide later on what I'm actually going to do, if there's going to be more added to it, because I think this is plenty for right now. I kind of like it with the negative space on the side, to tell you the truth. And I am probably, more than likely, going to add dots. I do have skewer action happening. I want to fill in, or use my leftover paint to add dots. Even upside down. I got to make sure I don't lift too quickly with the dot, or I get a little tail that I don't necessarily want. So I should tell you guys, I have over 97, excuse me, I wish I did. I have over 93,000 subscribers. 97, yeah. It's coming, hopefully. I'm taking a chance that what I'm doing upside down is going to be okay. I think it will. Just using a dollop of paint, letting it join the original plant form. So that's kind of cool. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Remember that you can ask me questions. And if you're looking for the monthly drawing prizes, they're included at the beginning of the exhibition video that's included at the end screen, on the end screen, at the beginning of, excuse me, on the end screen at the end of every video. You will find an exhibition video. Let's start over. And at the beginning you'll usually be shown, I'll share with you the prizes for the next month. If you want to be in that drawing, all that's required is that you find the PayPal and Patreon icons on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner and use them. And you help keep the studio going, and by doing so, you help me. Thank you very much. I want to look at this right side up again. I'm not sure I should be doing what I'm doing, but I'm going to keep doing it anyway because I know what it looks like usually, and I'm feeling kind of safe. I might be wrong entirely, but I do love the dots. The dots usually make it for me. I have over 2,000 videos. I'm really distracted. Over 2,000 videos, and if you need to find them, go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. And if you can't find what you're looking for, they're divided into topic and genre. And the 100, and I have all the links saved. If you want something, just ask me. I have a link tree below the video, and it has all kinds of other links, including my website, pixels.com, Fine Art America, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fans and Collectors, for looking at the albums of YouTube artworks from earlier, and eventually, someday, they might they might actually be complete, but I don't know when that day's ever going to come, because I keep making videos and I can't catch up. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and this is going to be a surprise to me in a minute, because I'm working upside down. Bye for now. I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. Oh, that's cool upside down. Cool.